Hello, hello, hello. Happy Friday, everyone. I hope you guys are having a great and wonderful Friday. I'm on here a little bit early today because I actually promised my niece that we would do a aunt and niece night. We have a movie night going on. She said we're gonna watch. We're gonna watch a movie and eat cookies and cream ice cream. So I did promise her that yesterday. So I wanted to take advantage of it. Oh my gosh. Sorry guys, this is not what we are. I was just looking at my charts. Right. What's we on AU? This is my EU. Oh no, sorry. I guess we already had it. So some more guys. Okay. All right. So just a review of last week. So last week we went over we went over time frames and top down analysis. I think I did two parts of this, or maybe just one video. But this, guys, this was a wonderful review that we did. Like I've just picked a random spot. We did we used the time frames that they wanted us to use inside the book. Did a top down analysis, and it was fire, y'all. It was fire. So if you haven't watched that video, please go watch that video. It's on my Facebook, or also you can rewatch it on YouTube as well. Alright, so today we're going to talk about trading strategies and tactics. This one won't be easy. It's just a couple pages long. So let's get into it. Oh, and then y'all, sometimes let me tell y'all about TradingView. I love TradingView, I do. But I gotta read the house rules because they got me a warning. So what I'm gonna do, I want to take another screenshot of this. I'll be like this, and hold on, I'm gonna replay this because before we had all of that, right? Yeah. They banned me. No, they ain't banned me. They just stopped me from posting the one page because it was connected to my Facebook, and I didn't know that you can't do that. So I need to republish this again. Or at least I need to save it. Let's do that. Let me just save this screenshot. It's chart image. Okay. Cause that was like beautiful, y'all, wasn't it? I didn't even want to touch this. Alright, let's not touch it just for right now. Let's see what happens. Alright, so last week we went over time frames and top down analysis, TDA. This week we're going to go over trading strategies and tactics. So it says in this chapter you learn three important aspects of price action. One, which is the first aspect of the markets. The market is trends. You have to identify the market trend using multiple time frame analysis. You know how to differentiate between trending markets and range bound markets, and you understand how each market moves. So the first thing about price action is the market trends. Are we up, down? Are we ranging? Or are we have a choppy market inside that ranging market? Alright, so the second aspect is level. You learn how to draw support and resistance, how to draw trend lines. This skill will help you better into the market the right time. Alright, we got the higher highs and higher lows, lower lows and lower highs and lower lows. And then the third aspect is the signals. You have seen different candlestick patterns. You understand the psychology behind its formation and the message they send you. These three aspects, which are the trend, the level, the signal, are what we will use in our trading approach to make money trading in any financial markets. Hey, I didn't write the book, but maybe the wordings are just off. I mean that when you open a chart, you would try to answer three important questions. Alright, that says, one, what the market is doing. Is it trending, consolidating, or is it a choppy market? Okay. If it's trending, you know how to identify if it's an uptrend or a downtrend. If it's a ranging market, you would see that it's trading horizontally between two boundaries. And if it's a choppy market, you close your chart and you stay away. That is so true. And then two, what are the most powerful levels in the market? Okay, if the market is trading up or down, or is it ranging, you will try to find the most important support and resistance levels. Okay, these levels are the best zones where you can buy and sell the market. And then three, what is the best signal to enter the market? Okay, the best signal to enter the market means the right time to execute your trade, and this is what you will learn in the next chapter. That's it. And then they have a bullish. Okay, so next week I may come back tomorrow and do it. Give you guys a pop up if I can. Oh, that pin bar is actually a little bit long. Okay, so next week is gonna be 2 parts because it has another one. It has it has the pin bar candlestick pattern strategy, and then we'll see how that goes. If it's not too long, then we'll finish up on how to trade and pin bar. But this gives you an idea. I want you guys to do your homework, and let's start answering these 3 questions. What is the market doing? Trending, consolidating, or choppy? So let's just look at some different I just don't want, this is just like beautiful. I don't want to touch this right now, and I need to do my work on getting that posted for you guys. Again, who is this? Okay, let's leave that alone. Alright, this is United States Canadian dollar, United States dollar and Canadian dollar, USDCAD. This is the market's doing right now. Okay, looks like it was a little choppy. She moved up, came down. She made a little low. It looks like she's consolidating. She's ranging right now, unless she breaks this breaks this level here, and really break all this. It looks like it's gonna be on the uptrend because she is making higher lows. All right, up, down, consolidating. It's definitely a downtrend. It's just consolidating. It's a choppy market going down right now. Oh, sorry, that was United States dollar and Swiss franc. This is the United States dollar and Japanese yen. We are going down. This may be just like the retracement here. We are on the daily, guys. This may be just like a retracement or a possible break of structure Let's see what happens. Today is Friday. I really don't like to trade on Fridays because the market probably made its move throughout the week already. Okay. So unless it's like some major news or something that I could probably get in a good, you know. So currently, so it's Friday, so everything looks like it's just about done for today. It broke this. Let's see. Yep, it's down. May need to come down to maybe the 50% and go up. Looks like a possible uptrend though. GU, GBP, Great Britain pound, United States dollar, uptrend. Looks like it's just right now a little choppy, as we can see. I'm not gonna touch index. I'm not gonna touch index. These are indices index, SPX 500, and then the other one is US 30 Dow Jones. So I'm not gonna touch that. Alright, and then okay, so we answered one of our questions, right? What is the market doing? Alright, we said she is in an uptrend. She looks like she's just doing a little consolidation right now. Probably possible retracement so we can continue to go up. Number 2 says what are the most powerful levels in the market? So if the market is trending up or down or ranging, you would try to find the most support and resistance level. So let's try to find the support and resistance level. I'm gonna just delete all this nonsense. Alright, let's see if we can find some support and resistance levels. Okay, we talked about the floor. So at this point here, let me see if I can circle it or eclipse it. Oh no, I did a thing last time. So right here, this where it was resistance, right? She tried to come here. She broke. I mean, she didn't break it. She went down. She came up. She broke it. She came up twice about a week. I don't know if you can see it here. So that was our resistance, and then so she finally broke out, and then she became a support. It looks like she's just bouncing off of support, so we can continue to go up here. That's on USDCAD. Now before I make that a resistance level, I want to just double check something. I'm just looking back. So I would say that was a good resistance level. Hold on. That's where we made it. You guys give me. So I'm gonna make this red, maybe. Make this and keep that green. She broke through, became a support, and she went down. She tried to come back up, resisted, came back up. Every time she came back up here, she just nope. So she's on her way up. Hopefully we can break it to continue to go up. And like I said, this on a daily time frame, so it may take some while to look at those lower levels, but we have identified our resistance level, and we have our support level. Okay. All right. What is number 3? We identify the most powerful levels in the market, support and resistance levels, and then what is the best signal to enter the market? The best signal to enter the market means the right time to execute your trade. And it says, and this is what you will learn in the next chapter. So we this is before it goes into the pin bar. We want to just start. Well, we have already went over the candlesticks, as far as like those bullish engulfings, bearish engulfings, harami candles. Of course, the pin bars, evening stars, morning stars. So if United States dollar, USCAD is in an uptrend, we probably want to be looking for in these instances. We probably want to be looking for is bullish candles. We're at our support. So that was here. We had a bullish engulfing because it engulfed this previous candle, and she went up. All right, here is let me just get these circled for you. So that was here. That was that bullish engulfing. All right, and then we have the morning star. Then we know, hey, we gonna rise, guys. Get into my buy. Get into my buy. I know I'm a little weird. It's Friday, okay? I can act a little crazy today. Here we have another evening star. She's screaming at us. She's screaming at us. We should have got in for our buy on what day? What day was that? On Wednesday. Got in for our buy and held it. Of course, she came down with this little wick here. It told us that price did go down some, but she was trying to just give us another chance. Like, listen, buy me, okay, buy me. And then she went up, so let's push her a little bit down. Next candle has opened. That's what we have here on Friday. And then we have 1, 2, and this one opens closes bullish. We'll have 3 consecutive green candles. Let us know we are buying, but we'll talk about that strategy a little bit later if we can, if it's not in the book. So that's what's actually happening here. She is currently buying right now. Price did go up some. Sellers pushed her down, but we have 5 hours 44 minutes left of that candle of the day, because the time that we do have. And depending on when the movie ends, I may come back and we'll see how that candle closed. If not, then I'll just post it in the comments for you guys. All right, but yeah, it's that easy. And it's that simple. I'm not gonna say it's that easy because you just can't learn it overnight. But we've been doing a couple things, y'all. Even that, I'll probably say that this is a major little support and resistance area. I kind of like that. All right, so we answered our 3 questions. What is the market doing? She is trending up. Have we identified our support and resistance levels? Yes, we have. And what candles do we enter on? They're gonna talk about it more, but we already answered. Here we had a bullish engulfing. She didn't come. She didn't pass it all the way. Which is, hey, if we missed it, that was our first confirmation. We probably couldn't get into the first confirmation. It's alright. We can't. Here it is, the second one. We came up. We didn't actually, and she made a lower high here. She actually didn't. Well, they all lower highs. This one. She made a morning star, and she went up a little bit. She gave us, hey, I'm giving you one last chance. I don't know if that's one last chance. I don't know if that is the last chance. But so far what we have she gave us another chance that we could be able to enter in this trade. And now, if I do happen to go down to this lower time frame, let's see what's happening. She is retracing right now. Probably can, I ain't gonna call no signals, no call signals. But she's been in that uptrend since. Look at this. From what I cycle on a daily. All right, she has some news that took place over this week. But she had that buy entry, and I'm pretty sure it's a small little buy entry that's right here. Let me just zoom in. Look at that. Look at that. I just see a whole bunch of morning stars. I see a whole bunch of so we had that opportunity to get in, and from like I said, the daily, this is a 5-minute candle, so these are 5 minutes of that one daily chart. So we got our confirmations to buy, and what did she do? She brought the hell. Okay, she brought the hell and fire with her. Let's just say from here to here, because she finally broke that structure. She made a support. Let's say, for instance, we got into that support to just maybe the top of here. How many is that? All right, from here to here, 92.9 pips. That's someone's paycheck. That's someone's goal. And how long did that take, guys? It says 17. It's probably some more. It took less than a day, though, to make that. Then she did a perfect retracement, because this is the 5 minutes, so it looks a little messy. And then what she do? She broke on out. Once we got that confirmation to get in, look at that, y'all. As you have to train your eyes. You have to train your eyes. That probably was a good little buy. I'll wait till it go out, though. And this looks like a possible W. I don't trade United States CAD, but she look really beautiful right now. Alright, guys. So that's what I have. Let me go back on the daily. We answered those 3 questions. I did go a little bit deeper so you guys could be able to see how you could be able to enter in with those confirmations, y'all. Alright, well, you guys have a wonderful Friday. When this candle does close, if the movie's not over or whatever is happening, then I'll just post it in the comment section. And of course, just follow me on TradingView at Mirror the Goddess. Here it is, Mirror the Goddess 22. Also on YouTube, Mirror the Goddess. Also on, I don't know, all those other platforms, Facebook as well. You guys have a wonderful day. Happy Friday. I hope your weekend is great to you and something good happens to you today and this weekend. I will see you next week.